welcome to another edition of In Nature's Realm video log. Today we're going fishing to a place called Stony Creek Reservoir. Now, Stony Creek Reservoir has been closed for the last 15 years. Probably around about 8 months ago they opened it up to fishing. Now, this lake has got some fantastic trout in there. You've got brown trout, rainbow trout and redfin if you like food of redfin. It's a pretty lake. It's a really nice lake. It's out near Anarchy, near the Brisbane Ranges, so for me it's pretty close. So we're going to give it a bit of a fish today and see if we can have a bit of success. See you soon. Here we are, Stony Creek Reservoir. Now, the lake on the left is closed to fishing, but this is the lake that's been open. And we've got 2 cars, which is excellent. Not many people. Whoa, bit of a bump there. And away we go. Alright, so here we are. Let's get the gear together. Let's start fishing. Alright, well, I'm all geared up and ready to walk down to the lake. So let's make our way down there. Now, if I can give you one big tip or fly fishing advice, it's this: don't be afraid to cast into the wind. As you can see, we've got a really strong wind coming from the northwest, and this is where you're going to catch fish. And you can cast, if you're going to go to a spot where you know there's fish and you have to cast into the wind, cast into the wind. It's as simple as that. Alright. And where we're going to target, we're actually going to have the wind on our left hand side or right hand side. Left hand side, it's going to be hard. So we'll be on our right. So let's cast in here first. Right, let's give it a go. Now, got the bag fly. Here's the bag fly there. Passion bag fibres over a gold body with a red throat hackle. Might do the trick. Let's see how we go. tried the bag fly in this section of the lake. Now, I'm not seeing any movement or none. If there's trout there, doesn't mean that the bag fly isn't working. But it always pays to select another fly. What I'm going to select is, once I get it out of the box, there we go. It's a bead-eyed woolly bugger with a long tail. That's the one there. As you can see, it's got a very long tail. Make sure it gives a lot of action in the water. Got the orange bead for attraction, and it works in certain situations. So I'll tie this on and give it a go. Alright, now I'm going to try a little bit further around to the left here, and see if we can do a bit better over there. Still no trout showing, so just got to persevere. Trout just in here before, so I'll give this a bit of a try. It's interesting. Now when you get that feeling there could be a fish here, I'm getting that feeling now, so let's give it a go. Calmer too. It's just a touch out of the wind. Not much, just a little bit. Now with this woolly bugger on, this feed head woolly bugger, the great thing about it is the best retrieve is a very slow one. Short little strips, and that's great because your fly stays in the water longer, so that's one important factor. Where with the bag fly you got a strip with long strips and short pauses and pretty fast, and it can be it's a quick retrieve. You're constantly casting and retrieving, so it's a nice cast there. people. Nice little brown trout. Caught him on the bag for. So we're going to take this out and we'll let him go. So he can grow a little bit bigger. There we go. Alright mate. See you later. Good to see you, you beautiful little trout. Right out in front of this wee bird here. Yes, got one. Okay, another little trout by the look of it. Okay, as you can see, another brown trout. There you can see him coming in. Again on the bag for him. Okay, come on mate. We'll put you back. We'll put you back mate. There he is. Just a tiny little trout. I guess these would be a yearling, this fish. So they've obviously just stocked it. But he's a beautiful little trout, isn't he? And yep, definitely put him back. And away he goes. Alright, here we go. Casting out the bag fly, short strips. Yes, got him. Okay, people. There's another brown trout here. Yep, another brown trout. The only real loose trout. Geez, they're a good nick. Beautiful colours. Oh, jeez, must be 100. Yeah. Jesus. Got a couple of bites there. Right. Casting against the wind can be so successful. You've got to get where the fish are. I finally found them. Oh, had a hit then. old bag fly. Ah, fuck. Get him out of there. Left-handed, not like your normal cast. Yes, got another one of those little lakes. Here he is. Another stocky brownie. There he is. He's not too bad, is he? I can get this fly out, no worries. And away he goes. Against this wind, I've got to cast left-handed, and it'd be good if I had the fly line past on it. That's it. There we go. Okay, let's do it again. Okay. Just nice short strips. There's a touch. There's another touch. Yes, got it. Okay, what this is, it's not brown. I thought we might get a rainbow because apparently they've stocked some rainbows, but they're just putting these browns. But we want to try and get Mummy and Daddy if we possibly can. And there he is. We'll let him go. Just a little baby. I slipped over and I fell into the lake and I am soaked and it is freezing, so I'm going to get back to the car and put on some dry clothes and keep a bit warm. So we had a bit of fishing success there, even though they're only small trout, but we eventually got onto them. They were congregating around those weed beds right in front of me here, just there. So I could catch more. There was heaps of those newly stocked fish, all little brown trout, yearling brown trout, maybe half a pound if that. So it was good fun catching those fish, but very difficult casting into the wind, let me tell you. Very difficult. It's so cold, it's incredible. Alright, I'll make our way back to the car. Well everyone, heading for home now. Fell over in the lake, got saturated with water, so better get home because it's really cold down there. So summary of the day, Stony Creek Reservoir at the moment, it's got a lot of newly released trout, brown trout, around about 500 grams, and they were great fun catching them on the bag fly there. I used the bag fly after trying the woolly bugger, but that woolly bugger was too big for those size fish. So put on a small size 10 bag fly, and there was one trout after another. So yeah, great fun today. We'll come back. I think that fishing it in the afternoon up till evening is a good idea, and I think the big trout come out around about that time. So next time I do give it a visit, it'll be that time frame, from sort of like early afternoon right through till dark, and you should come up with some of the bigger trout in the lake. So if you've never fished Stony Creek Reservoir, give it a go. You'll really like it. So I hope you've enjoyed this episode of In Nature's Realm video log, and I look forward to talking to you on the next trip. See you soon.